Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So let's continue with our lesson. Right, we are in the golden age of the Mughals, right? So just see the last para. Shahjahan felt, the most famous Shahjahan's building is Taj Mahal. जो शाहजहां की जो famous building वो है Taj Mahal. ये this is the Taj Mahal. And I think you have seen it, okay? A memorial to his wife मुमताज महल. तो अपने वाइफ के याद में ये बिल्डिंग बनाई सो है. इट इज अ मार्बल मॉजिलियम perfect in the proportion. It is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. ये जो 7 wonders of the modern world में काउंट किया जाता है. Okay. So Shahjahan fell ill in 1657 and war of succession started among his 4 sons. Right. So then in 1657 शाहजहां क्या है की तबीयत खराब होने लगी. तो इसलिए then the war of succession started among his 4 sons. Finally, the younger Aurangzeb, the youngest son, ascended the throne after the killing his 3 brothers. जो औरंगजेब क्या करे अपने तीनों भाइयों को मार दिए. For the succession, for the money, for the property and all. Okay. He imprisoned his father in the Masamma Burj. ओके अपने फादर को ही इम्प्रिजन कर दिए. शाहजहां स्पेंड द लास्ट 8 years ऑफ हिज लाइफ इम्प्रिजन देयर. जो शाहजहां अपनी जिंदगी के 8 साल क्या है जेल में बिता दिए. सो लेट्स गो विद द नेक्स्ट पेज. राजा राजा चोला, दैट इज 985 to 1014 CE. The far south of India known as Tamil. The first south of India is known as Tamil region were divided into 4 different parts, kingdoms, which was Chola, Pandyas, Pallavas and Chera. Very important. So जो ये राजा राजा चोला की जो region जो है divided into how many divided into different kingdoms. Okay, that is Chola, Pandya, Pallavas and Chera were very important. The Cholas rose swiftly to the power in the 19th century and there is evidence of great deeds of Raja Raja and his son Rajendra Chola. Okay. So next come to the Raja Raja Chola's consequence. Raja Raja Chola was a great emperor. जो Raja Raja Chola है great emperor और emperor थे. Who established जो Cholas empire को establish करे थे. He consequent most of what now the states of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, he consequent most of what are now the states of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. His kingdom extended from जो उनका kingdom था किधर से था बोले तो Bay of Bengal to Arabian Sea. Okay, his region the high point of history of the Cholas. Then he was assisted by his son Rajendra. Then after many consequences he was assisted by his son. Okay, अपने son के direction पे चलने लगे. This is the Raja Raja Chola. Okay, Raja Raja Chola defeated the Pandya king of Madurai and the Cheras. Okay, जो Raja Raja Chola क्या करे मदुराई के जो king थे पांड्या उनको defeat कर दिए. Okay, at the Cheras. Then capture North Sri Lanka. उसके बाद क्या करे नॉर्थ श्रीलंका को कैप्चर कर दिए. राइट. देन मेड द पोलननोरावी इज द प्रोविंशियल कैपिटल. ही आल्सो कॉन्कर्ड द लैंड ऑफ द गोदावरी एंड द नॉर्थर्न चालुक्यास. श्रीलंका के बाद गोदावरी एंड द नॉर्थर्न चालुक्यास को भी एक्सपैंड कर दिए. ओके. देन राजा राजा चोला सेंट a naval expedition to the Maldives island and conquer them too. Is assumed numerous littles such as Mudamudi Chola, Jayamukanda and the Ulakaland. Okay, Kalandan. It has been over there. So just read the lesson carefully and write all the bits. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Take care.